Hello YouTube, this is Mohammed Sonic Boom here, and I'm about to give you a demonstration of the unboxing of the new Yu-Gi-Oh! 2018 Megatins like Yu-Gi-Oh! 5Ds from Yusei Fudo and Jayden Yuki. Because I think I know what the Yusei tin does contain. It says here it contains Junk Speeder, Junk Collector. Because I know Junk Collector from Yu-Gi-Oh! 5Ds, yeah? Especially Star Assault Warrior. Something like that, yeah. And also the Link Monster Junk Connector, what they have. Plus they have the tins from Circuit Breaker, Street Force, Maximum Crisis, Coda Duelist, yeah. It's all it contains, yeah. As for Jayden, you know, Solid Soldier is what you need to, for Elemental Hero decks, yeah. Especially King Extra Joker for Warriors, yeah. Especially if you use Kibio Dragon Magic, yeah. But no need to contain these kind, yeah, especially same from always. Without further ado, we're gonna start opening this. I'll go get the scissors. There we go. I'll just get the scissors. Cut it open. There we go. I got it. Okay, cut it open. Check. First, I'm gonna open this. There we go. Remove the plastic wrapping. I'll remove the plastic wrapping. There. Yep. This is the opening. Yep. Contains 3 packs in a tin. And all it does is it contains secret rare junk speeder. Let me open it up. You open it up first. I'll open it first. Yup, these are the cards that contains, which is Junk Speeder, Junk Collector from Yu-Gi-Oh! Junk Speeder was not on the series Yu-Gi-Oh! 5Ds, but Junk Collector was a Yu-Gi-Oh! 5Ds. It says so you can banish this card in the field and one normal trap card, apply the banish traps effect. Even if you try using Junk Collector the Junk Collector, note, the activity requirements must be correct. Even if you banish it in the Mirror Force or any other kind, yeah? Whichever I like, yeah. And due to Junk Speeder, when he synchro summon, I can spell summon as many synchron tuners as possible with different levels from my deck in defense position, but I can't spell summon monsters except for synchro monsters. The turn I activate it, but when his attacks clear following it, the attack points are doubled. That's what I would see from Junk Speeder. But requires synchron tuner one more non-tuner monsters. And look at that. Stardust Assault Warrior. Perfect for making your Stardust deck, yeah? When you synchro summon, when you control no other monsters, you can target a junk monster, special summon it. Then there's a synchro tuner, which is Martial Metal Marcher. Of course, when you synchro summon, I can target one tuner monster in a graveyard while summon in a defense position, but negate its effects. I don't know why if I use it, even if you try to bring out Tyrant, so. And Junk Connector, 2 effect monsters, Warrior or Machine, including a tuner, yeah? But once starting main phase battle phase, in quick effect, you can immediately sync after the effect resolves. Even during either player's turn, you can synchro summon a synchro monster using only materials this card points to. But when sync summon card is destroyed, you can spell summon a Junk Synchro monster from my extra deck. Like Junk Destroyer, for instance, yeah? But why wait for that when I put it on focus? Why wait for that? When I'm going to open the tin, yeah? When I'm going to open one of the Mega Tin packs. See if I get a rare Firewall Dragon card if I can. Oh, and what will I even get this time? Oh, look. Contact C. Contact C. Grappler Angler. Phantom Knights of Lost Fan Brands. Knowing about this card. Duck Dummy. What the hell is Duck Dummy, man? And then there's Ghost Beef. And all I could remember was Amazon the Spy from Narc 5. And Ultra and holy mother, a Borolo Dragon. Just what I needed. A Borolo Dragon. Especially this broken line. Ultra Camouflage. Oh, Formula Athlete, yeah. Oh, look at that. I got a Flick Clown. Useful, eh? And Temple of Mind's Eye. Any battle damage to playtext bonus 1000? What up with Temple of Mind's Eye? I don't know. Temple of the Kings, yeah. Digital Bug. Ladybug. Infinity Patriarch. Used for any Infinity deck. Especially Link Belt Wall. What will I even do with this anyway? Now to open my second pack. Oh, look at that. Anthos Rocket Dragon. What would I even do with an Anthos Rocket Dragon? What will I do with Anthos Rocket? And then there's Abyss Acta Trendy Understudy. Oh, Disciple the True Draco Phoenix. Could trade that. Especially Draco Apocalypse. And then there's, Burning Bamboo Sword. Because if he activates Bamboo Sword while it's already face up his spell trap zone, my opponent's main phase is skipped. It's not going to be good. Especially if I get Magician's Right Hand. And then there's, Ultra Dice Hexty, I remember that. And hey, Trunade. And Spellbook of Knowledge. What will I ever do with that when I have Magicians? Especially with Metal Rocket Dragon. Impulse Mines. Mahog. Ooh. Phantom Knights of Wrong Magnet Ring. What would I even do without it? A digital bug, ladybug. Oh, Cyber's Beacon? I guess Cyber's Beacon would fit for my Cyber's deck, yeah. And without further ado, I'm going to open the third pack. Then comes the Jayden tin. Perfect. One of the FA field spells I got is Formula Athlete City Grand Prix. Cool. Oh, Twilight Storm Paladin? General? Useful for Light Sworns. Speedroid? Nah. Skull Marbles? History Standby Phase. When I have a face-up monster. That was supposed to summon an extra, he still summon it. But it cannot restore a battle with a normal summon set monster. My opponent takes any battle damage I would have taken instead. Not my thing. And I got, All Navigator. And then there's Signet Refresh. When an opponent's Cyber's monster clears attack, it destroys all my monsters' main monsters, so I guess some of his main Cyber League monsters possible. What do I do with that? Especially with, Off-Road Grand Prix. I don't know, how many Grand Prix freeze, full athlete Grand Prix freeze field spells would any person have? And I have Auto Rocket. Dang it. Too cool for the polls. Overdone. And look at that. Merryman, the True Draco Phoenix. Cool. Ghost Spirit of Bewitchment. Oh, Pale Palmer. I needed that. Speedroid Malco's Magnet. Cannot be used as single material except for sync or summoned by its own deck. During the main phase, you can target one phase that win monster point control single, summon a win attribute single monster, use this card that monster. Oh. Karate Spirit. Useful for any spirit deck. It's a good thing I have another Cyber Beacon. And a Breakaway. And Lending. Okay then. Now to open up the next tin, which is Jayden's. Reminds me so much of Jayden Yuki from Yu-Gi-Oh! GX. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Look at all this. Nebula Neos. All I even do with Nebula Neos, you ask, is as it must first be special summoned by shuffling the above cards. Contact Fusion. Do not use polymerization. But when special summon the extra deck, you can draw cards equal to the number of cards my opponent controls, then negate the effects of a face-up card and field to the end of his turn. And once per turn during the end phase, you shuffle this card to extra deck and banish all cards face down. Even if you try to use Neo Space, you will keep it on the field. Which I would like to see. Now let me open this pack first. Here we go. Perfect. There we go. I open the pack. I'll open up this pack here. Cool. Yep. Contains Nebula Neos. Cause and also due to Solid Soldier, when he's normal summon, you can spell summon the low for a lower elemental hero from your hand. And when he's sent to the monster zone to the graveyard by a spell effect, you can target a come on, focus. You can target a hero monster in my graveyard special summon it. You can bring out Shadow Mist if you want, but you can run 2 copies if you want it. If I can order an extra copy, yeah. And also have Keeper of Dragonic Magic as well. Because with it, I can discard a card, add a polymerization, normal spell, or fusion normal spell from your deck to your hand. You reveal fusion monsters, spell summon them in your graveyard. One of each 2 monsters from your graveyard in defense, face down to defense, yeah. But you can't spell summon it except for fusion monsters. What's this? Mud Dragon of the Swamp, you can declare an attribute, and it becomes its attribute. And look at that, Arcane Extra Joker. Because it says be warrior type monsters, different names. What will I even do with Arcane Extra Joker? You can bring out a warrior normal monster from your deck, and Neos Alias, or perhaps Sparkman, whatsoever. When he's like some cards from my battle center to the radar, you discard same type of card, then you get the activation thanks to Arcane Extra Joker. What I do without this type of card doesn't matter. Let's go open up 3 more of these packs. I'm aiming to get something rare. Well, look what we have here. Little Light Crimson Fox, Contact C, another Grappler Angler, Air Cracking Storm, useful into a machine type monster. World Legacy Pawns. Oh, Jumpbreaker. I remember Jumpbreaker. Outside Protocol. Oh, look at that. Rescue Ferret. You can shuffle it, and it's also a monster's from my deck's total levels equals 6 to my zones. I think monsters points to, but it's Monsters have the effects negated and they're destroyed, yeah? Another Miriam. Ooh, and a security block. This'll do. Speedboy, passing glider. It's a pendulum monster, yeah? Especially with pulse mines and Mehamusha maidens. Ah, Smile Universe. And then there's Hackworm. And what's this? Column switch. You can start one monster, main monster, and then move it to another one. My goodness. What will I do with column switch? What do we have here? Ah, yes. The Ascent of Thunder. Demise, King of Armageddon. Ooh, I remember this card, yeah. Magnite, Green Horizon. Another air cracking sword. Ooh, what is it? Launcher Commander? Oh, goody. Fire Prison. Okay. Goki Twist Cobra. Whoa. Supreme King Zark. The secret rare card I ever wanted.
Where is Zaza shoes?
I don't know, Mama.
Hmm?
They're in a closet. Broken line.
Why are you sitting in a hut?
Sorry.
Oh, are you focusing on your stuff?
Video, yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. Destrado, the Lost Dragon's Frisson. Would I want that? Maybe. Pulse Mine's another. Oh, man. Oh, Hobart. Oh, the Highlander. Cool. Boral Kool-Aid. Whoa. Muscle Medic. Well, that's all I can do for you. So, this Mama's on the boom. Over and out.